Hello everyone, my name is Dali Tian. I come from China. I wanna to tell you how to use the WeChat. The first part is how to register for a personal WeChat account. The first things you need to open the WeChat application. Then you can see the sign up, so click to the register. You can register using your mobile phone number or Facebook number. The first part I will introduce how to register use your mobile phone number. First of all, you need to set WeChat nickname and avatar. The second, you need to select the country where its mobile phone number is. Such as Thailand, you can click here for a quickly research. You can enter Thailand here, and then you will get the result and choose it. The third one, you need to enter your Thai phone number here. Fourth, you need to set your login password. The fifth, you need to click here to agree the WeChat term of service, and the last step, you need to click on the sign up. Next, I will introduce how to use the Facebook number to register WeChat. You will need to click sign up and choose the second one, sign up Facebook. The next step, you need to log in your Facebook account. The last step, you need to click here, agree the Facebook to log in the WeChat. This part, I will introduce the basic function of the WeChat. When you complete register, you can use your WeChat account login in. The WeChat interface consists of the four parts. This part is the chat interface. And you can see the last news in the chat interface. And you can talk with your friend here. You can send text and voice to your friend. And you can also make a voice call or video call with your friend. This interface is the contact interface. In this interface, you can add new friend or set up the chat or find some official account. If you have successfully added friends in this interface, you can find the person you need to contact. The next interface is the Discover interface. You can enter moments through this interface. This interface is a moment. Moment can see photo and text shared by a friend. The moment is an interesting interface because you can share interesting things with your friends. Company can advise in moment. And customer can read the contact post by company advice. And you can also share a video at moments if the video is interesting or if you like to share with your friends. In the Discover interface, there are some interesting features here, such as mini programs. I will introduce it in the next part. Now, I will introduce how to post moments. The first, you need to click the camera logo. There are two ways. You can choose the camera or take photo or video now, or choose a video or photo from the album. If you choose a photo already, then you will go to the next interface. In this interface, the first thing is add text. The second thing, you need to click the plus to add image or video. Set up to 9 images at the time. Here you can share place, notify friend to view, dynamic permission setting. When you complete, click here to send the moment. This interface is Me interface. This is personal homepage interface. You can click here to set your personal information. In this interface, you can change your nickname and avatar here. If you have a Chinese bank card, you can use the WeChat payment. And you can click here to get the payment QR code. There are many functions in the WeChat payment. You can use those features in China. If you're in China, those features will provide you with convenience. Okay, this is basic function that each interface of WeChat. The next part, I will introduce the official account of WeChat. This part, I will introduce 4 types of WeChat official account. The WeChat official account include subscription account, service account, minimal program, and the WeChat work. First, I will introduce subscription account. Customer can find a subscription through chat interface. Customer can click the subscription to see more. This is subscription interface. Here is a collection of all subscription account customer care about. And company can advertise in the subscription account, such as this one. Company can use the subscription to write an introduction about the product. You can write some wonderful sentence to attract customer. You can also use some beautiful picture to attract customer in the advertisement. And the company can also use the subscription number to inform customer about product promotion. For product and promotion must be real, cannot use fake advertising to devise customer. When you describe the product, you should inform the consumer of product characteristics. And those product characteristics can attract the attention of the consumer. Then go back to the subscription interface. Click here to enter the main office of subscription account. Customer can see all the articles published by the subscription account here. The company can add more link here if you want to show the customer, such as the more link. Customer can enter the more so link. This is basic function about subscription account. The subscription account is broadcast content to all of your followers, best suited for media and individual publisher. The next part, I will introduce the service account, which is offer online service and manager users available to business and organization. Difference between the service account and subscription account. The service account can send 4 push messages per month, and the subscription can send 1 push message per day. This picture shows the difference between the subscription account and the service account. Let's move to the service account. In the chat interface, you can find more service accounts here. Customer can click here to enter the main interface. In the main interface, the company can set up the service provided. For example, a company can provide their shopping link. Consumer can access the shopping interface through the shopping link. Next part, I will introduce the mini program. The mini program describes service from within WeChat will maintain an excellent user experience, available to business and organization with service offering. How to enter the mini program? In the chat interface, swipe down into the mini program. This is a mini program interface. Customer can click here to add the mini program they are interested in. If customer want to add more mini program, they can search for more mini program here using keyword. There are many types of mini program. The most common in malls, such as first one. And in the Meaning program. Company can design what they want to show. This company is sell the mobile phone. Consumer can also push goods through this meaning program. And the company can also display some information through meaning program. The second one is about car information. The company wanted to show the information about car to the customer. The last one, I will introduce the WeChat Work. The WeChat Work is helping business with internal communication and official efficiency, suitable for register of corporate customer. This is all function about the WeChat Work. It looks like a business WeChat. Company can use this one to contact with your employer and strengthen employer connections. This part I will introduce creating a WeChat official account. About creating a WeChat official account with an overseas company, we have two ways. The first way is using company own overseas business license. It goes through a special application process. The second way is use a three-part Chinese license to create. Those different ways has different advantage and disadvantage. The advantage about the first way is your company owns the account legally, and the account looks more authentic to consumers since the company legal name will be displayed on the information page. The last one is such account enable overseas companies to run WeChat advertising. The disadvantage about the first way is here annual verification fees charged by Tencent is $99. It's instead of 300 RMB for Chinese companies, and you need to take 2 to 4 weeks to set up. The advantage about the second way is fast to create. Just use 7 business days can create. The disadvantage about the second way is ownership of such account belong to the third-party Chinese company. The second is if the industry of Chinese business license is different from your business, it may raise questions from your consumers. The third is such an account will not be able to run WeChat advertising. The next part, I will introduce step-by-step guide for WeChat official account creation. The first step is go to the WeChat official website to register official account. Company can click register now. Move to the step 2, choose the type of official account that company want to create. The general rule is, if the content is core of your business, choose subscription, otherwise choose a service account. Let's move to step 3. Step 3 is enter company email information and click on green button to register an account. The step 4 is check your company email to search for a verification email. Click on the link to verify your company email address. After that, we will go into the step 5. Step 5 is after company click on the link, company will be taken on page to choose the type of the account. Let's move to step 6. A warning mentions that once company chooses the type of the official account, company cannot change afterward. If company chooses a subscription account, it's possible to upgrade the account to a service account. But if company chooses a service account, cannot change the account type of subscription account. The step 7 is company need to choose the type of organization. It includes government, media, company, and other organization. Then we will go into the step 8. Is enter the company information. The company information includes the company types, company names, and the Chinese business license number. The step 9 is company will have 2 options to verify company bank account. There are 2 options. Option 1 is company will need to make a transfer from company's bank to Tencent. With this option, company don't have to verify company official account. The option 2 is Tencent will make a transfer to company bank account, and the company will need to check in company bank account to find a verification number in the note of the transaction. In the option 2, company will need to verify company official account within 30 days in order to keep company official account.
The next is step 10. Step 10 is enter the information of the account operator.
The company needs to write down the account operator name and the account operator Chinese ID number. And the company needs to write down the account operator's Chinese cell phone numbers. After that, company will get a verification code from the account operator's Chinese cell phone number.
Last, you will use the user account operator WeChat to scan the QR code. The account operator must enable person WeChat payment feature. This is step 11, confirm company names. It should be noted that company information cannot be changed after submission. The step 12 is enter the account name information. Tencent has a lot of
restriction on that name you can see.
The official account name must also be unique.
The step 16 is last step. The company needs to click on the confirm button.
And please verify the official account within 30 days in order to complete the account creation. This part, I will introduce the WeChat official account verification. The first step, go to the WeChat admin backend and go to the account setting on the left side menu.
Company need to click on the button next to the WeChat verification. The step 2 is company click on the green button to start the verification process.
The step 3 is verifies either through text message or the account operator Chinese ID.
After that, company need to click on green button, then will go to the next step. The step 4 is company need to click on agree with the WeChat term of use.
The step 5 is fill out the form, which includes the business license and the WeChat manager and the scope of operation and other scope of operation and the number of employees.
And the company needs to write the official landline number and the operator's email address and the operator Chinese ID. After that, company operator needs to scan this QR code to verify he or her identity. Next, company needs to download the application form, sign and apply company seal. Then, company needs to upload the organization certificate. After that, company needs to click on the green button to next step. The next step is enter the name of company official account. If the company finish that and click on the green button, go to the next step.
This step is enter the 发票 information.
发票 is similar to the receipt. There are both 发票 and the receipt ticket in China. 发票 can be used as a voucher for collecting payment, as an original voucher for a company cost, expense, and income. And the receipt can only be used as a voucher for collecting payment.
You need to enter 发票 information and address.
The last step is make the payment for 300 RMB verification fees with company WeChat payment account. If your company wants to post an article using a subscription account, I recommend you see Mr. Chai's Chinese video at YouTube. This part, I will introduce how do customer find WeChat official account. The first is customer can finding an account from the WeChat social timeline. It's also called the WeChat Moments. The most common ways of acquiring new followers on WeChat is through WeChat Moments. Upon clicking on company article, customers can access your company account page by clicking the name of your company account at the top of the article. The second way is customer add company WeChat official account through QR code. Customer can scan QR code which is included into web page or article within WeChat or offline by using WeChat's embedded QR code scanner. QR code is perfect for any offline customer. They can be added inside company store on your company's products during your company's events. A third way is customer add company WeChat official account by offline payments. After a customer completes a payment with the WeChat payment offline, it is possible to invite them to follow your company WeChat official account. The last way is customer add company WeChat official account by customer search. WeChat contains a search tool for official account. It is most useful if customers are already familiar with your company and trying to find it on WeChat by typing its name. This is some information about WeChat, and thank you for listening to me.